2005 Kenworth T800. It's got a Cat C13 engine, 18-speed transmission, pre-emission, no DPF, 16-foot rock box. Truck's in pretty good shape. A little bit of a ding on the exhaust there. A little scratch on the fender, but other than that, the truck's in pretty good shape. Box is in good shape. Got a little side toolbox. Frame looks nice and clean. Don't see any rust on it. Steel wheels. It's got a nice rubber block suspension walking beam. Very good for getting in some ruts. The suspension will walk pretty good in there. Looks like it's got a little hookup if you wanted to get a pintle in there for a pub. It's got the nice tarp motor. Yeah, and see the suspension, no rust. Nice clean truck. Quarter fenders. Hydraulic oil tank. Stainless steel steps. Truck's in really good shape. Again, Cat C13. The frame right here. Get a little setup for your block heater. As you see coming in, nice easy access. It's got the side handle right here. You look right here, the seat's a little ripped, not torn all the way through. Seat could probably be recovered. Inside's pretty clean, seats are pretty clean. There goes all your controls for your tarp switch, your dump body, gauge your PTO. Side little spot window. It's nice to have. If you look back here, you got you can see your cylinder. Got the rear window. Got the two lights, speaker. Up here, that's where your top gauge is. It's already got a radio in it. Got your Jake brakes, CD player, cruise control, diff lock. Tons of gauges. Nice low mile truck. 437,000 miles. 18 speed. Truck's in nice shape.